502E MYOB Essentials. Create an invoice from a quote. We've completed the work for Flocana and we're now going to issue them an invoice for the quote. So first click on the Sales tab, then on Quotes. We want to see all quotes. And I'm going to click on the one for Flocana Virtual Services. So scroll down and click on Create Invoice. And you can see that we've now got an invoice with the lines from the quote. So we're going to change the date of issue of the invoice to the 12th of October 2017, and the date of issue is 7 days from then, so that's the 19th. Just check the total amount is correct, so yep, $6,174.90. Then click Save. So that's saved your invoice.